Hey guys, it's me, Chris. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a slime collection. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm not very good at naming slime, so I'm not even going to try naming them. So yeah, the first one I have is this green one. This one is like a putty texture. So yeah. Next one I have is this glow in the dark slime. That's that one. Oh, I have this pink. Oh great. I have this pink and green one. If you guys should know anything about slime about me, is I hate when the slime gets stuck to the lid. It's one of my biggest slime pet peeves. The next one is this sort of tickly slime. Once again, got stuck to the lid. So the next one I have is this crunchy slime one. So that's that one. The next one I have is this one. So that's that one. The next one is the one in the other container, which is these containers. The reason I have a stick here is because this one, color pencil. This one is the one when I mix a little bit of all my slimes together. If you want me to do that on camera, I'll do it, or comment some slime jars. But then I put a lot of lotion in it, and that's what happened. So basically, there's like a little tutorial on how to make slime. So you're gonna need your glue, which that's basically just glue now, baking soda, and some contact lens solution. I'm gonna use this one though because this one has less, and I have two anyway too. So yeah. So you're supposed to add in a teaspoon of borax in a cup of slime. In a cup of water. It's like borax, but I'm using baking soda. But since I don't really have time for that, I'm just gonna do that. And then mix. And then adding your contact lens solution. So the sun is going down, but yeah. So I already added more. So I added some more contact lens solution, and it's getting better. So I put it out. It's not sticking that much, but it's still sticky. So yeah. So yeah, that's this one. On to the next one. Then I have this crunchy slime. So that's that one. I'm not even gonna try taking it out. But yeah, I have no idea how many times I have said but yeah in this video. Anyway, yeah, let's like open this if I can if I'm one-handed. Okay, good. So that's this slime. The reason it sounds like that is because I did add some theme in it before we started this video. This one is sort of like the green one, but it's just a little bit of stretchier. It's not really that hoodie-like. But yeah, so I'm gonna skip this one. I have this one. Okay, so I have this one. Let's take this out. This one is my last slime that I'll be showing you guys. What up? Back. What is this? Oh. It feels so powdery on the top. I feel like some of the baking soda on top of the lid got on it or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Oh, and comment some slime dares. I cannot talk today. I was about to say comment some squishy dares just because I've been watching a lot of squishy videos lately. But I don't know about ordering some squishies. I don't think I'll like order any, but I might. I'm not too sure about that. I'm like seriously like talking and like cleaning my basket up. But yeah, so yeah, and please share this video with your friends or something. I don't know. Yeah, bye guys.